very proud to represent this great as a member of Congress and as Lieutenant Governor. We work very hard with the leadership, the current leadership and past leadership, to make sure that this hospital could be financially viable. I'll just say it that way. We took it from life support to give it what it needed to make sure that it had a good, strong grounding here. I want to make sure we continue focusing on our rural hospitals and rural health care because it's so critically important. We just came here for one reason, and that is to thank angels on earth, these healthcare workers who continue to show up, whether it's in a skilled nursing facility or on the front lines, walking to these halls, taking care of people at their most vulnerable. They have been through a long, excruciating time, and like any other human being, they're exhausted. They walk in with a positive attitude every day, so they walk out feeling drained in the sense of it did not have to be this way. If we can get more people vaccinated, and as this Omicron variant continues to expand exponentially, we have to make sure that people get the booster shot as well, because all the evidence is showing that there will be breakthroughs. And thank God the symptoms will not be as severe. We've already seen evidence of that, but there will be people hospitalized. And increasing hospital capacity has been my laser focus for many months now, not just dealing with Delta, but we first got the inkling that this could come from South Africa and England and eventually come to New York. We knew once it came to New York that this would spread like wildfire because of densely populated areas like New York City, but also areas of our state where people are not as vaccinated at the high rate we want them to be. So we saw the vulnerabilities right away. We've been working on hospital capacity since day one, and I want to thank the leadership here for making all the right decisions to ensure that there is sufficient capacity in this very hospital. I applaud you for that. It is not easy to do, and you have approximately 24 COVID patients right now, or 24 people hospitalized, and half of them are COVID patients. And as sure as I'm standing here, that number is going to continue going upward as the Omicron variant continues to spread. So making sure you have sufficient capacity as well as nursing home capacity, because many people who could be released from hospitals sometimes are having to be kept in hospital even longer because there's not enough staff at a nursing facility in the community. So those are areas we're focused on very much. I do want to make a couple of other points. This is not March of 2020, not even December of 2020. We've come a long way. We have defenses. We are not defenseless against this virus or even the variant. We have all the options we need, and that is vaccinations for children from age 5 all the way to adults, making sure they're safe, they can return to school when they come back from their Christmas breaks, also making sure that people get the booster shot, as well as the availability of testing. I predict that after Christmas, they're going to continue to go up. We foresee this, but it does not have to have anywhere near the same severity as we went through a year and a half ago, 20 months ago. We have the protection to avoid that situation. So I will once again ask everyone, please, if you're not vaccinated, now is the time. And we also have a lot of cases where someone may have gotten one of the boosters, or one of the vaccinations from Moderna or Pfizer. They require 2 shots. We need to get at least those 2 and then the 3rd shot. So please don't think because of 1 dose that you're safe, because you are truly not, particularly with this new variant. So that's what I want to leave you with is, again, thank you to healthcare workers, not just here in Wyoming County, but across the state of New York. We are so grateful for what you've been through and what you continue to do every single day. You inspire us. Your stories, which you continue to do at own risk yourselves and your family, is truly extraordinary. We're grateful. We're going to give a hand to our local counties who are doing the right thing. I want to thank Wyoming County for helping us keep people safe, and all the elected leaders and the hospital staff who are here today. I want to wish you all a Merry Christmas and a Happy Holidays, and look forward to a healthy New Year heading into 2022. So thank you.